Hey y'all, so today I'm back with another video. I'm going to be doing another Ipsy unboxing or opening and showing you what I got this month of July in my Ipsy bag. So if you don't know by now, or if you haven't seen on my channel, I like to do show you guys what I get in my monthly Ipsy subscription. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a beauty product subscription where they send you 5 sample size beauty products to your house, as well as a makeup bag, so you get to carry your makeup in. And basically just on the website or the app, you'll just tell them, if you're signing up for the first time or just want to change your options, you tell them what types of things you like, your skin tone, your hair color, things like that. And they basically send you 5 personalized items to your house in a cute little makeup bag so that you could try them out. And then of course, if you eventually want to buy the products, you can, because they actually sell the larger size products on their website. And of course they have deals, and if you get so many subscriptions, you also get points, and those points will take out discounts towards other products that you would like from their website. So let's get into this video. Okay, so excuse me, if you don't know, Ipsy comes in a pink bag like this. So this is actually the mailing bag. So when you get home and get to your mailbox, this is the bag that you will see sitting on your front door. And so I do know something of what is in this bag. When you go to, I believe within the first 5 to 6 days of the month, you are able to check and see what they have sent you for the month. Struggling. They'll put it up, things, the 5 things that are in your bag, so that you get a sneak peek. Or you can choose the option not to look all month, and then when you get your bag, it'll be a surprise. So the first things that I see when I open the mailing package are these 2 masks. This is the Natural Recipe Honey Nutrition and Smooth Complexion. This is the rich honey is rich with nutrients, so this is good for your skin. And this is by Secret Key, and it's just like a little fake makeup mask. So this is the honey one, and then we have the tea tree one, and this one is calming and smoothing. So tea tree is calming and smoothing, and then honey is nutrition and smooth complexion. So those are the 2 masks. And usually every month, if you haven't seen, I usually get makeup masks, cleansing masks and things like that, just because that's what I like. Yet I haven't tried them, just because I'm a little lazy and I don't feel like putting them on my face, but eventually I will, because I got a lot of good ones. So alright, so first off, this is what the bag looks like. This is like a aqua color, unicornish, unicorn like shimmery bag, holographic almost, I guess that's what you can call it, if you can see. And this is really cute. I really like this, the white zipper and everything. Okay, so the first thing besides those masks, if you get them, that you will see is the actual Ipsy card. Now every month in your Ipsy bag, you will get this card in your bag, and this card is basically telling you that is the July 2018 Ipsy bag, and just basically giving you some insight on some of the things that you might get in the bag, or just some of the things that are on their website that you can get. Okay, so the first item besides the, well, the second item, I guess. The bags were the first item, and now the second item is this, oh, upside down, banana setting powder. I'm really excited to try this because I've never really had banana powder, but this is the banana setting powder. As you can see, that's the second thing. Now the third thing that is going to be in this is a travel size skinny liquid eyeliner, line and define. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna open it. Alright, this is what it looks like. It's very small and cute. Just gonna open it and try it. So this is clearly in the shade black because this is very dark. Yeah, it's liquid eyeliner in the shade black. Very nice. Quickly drying because I dried really quickly. It's not smudging, so yeah. Oh, it is fading, but it's not smudging. So there's that. I don't really use liquid eyeliners all the time. I don't usually do cat wings and stuff like that, so I might use this very little, but just in case I need one, I have one. Alright, the fourth thing that is in my bag is this. This is a not liquid. This is a lip liner in the shade Mandarin. This looks really cute. You can see it. Just put a little. So that is what it looks like. You can see right there. Almost it looks like it matches my nails. That's really cute. So yes, that is the lip liner. Of course, I will leave all the names down in the description box to all of these products, and as well as the link to Ipsy, so you can purchase yourself a Ipsy bag. And the Ipsy bag, if you don't know, is only $10 a month. So at the beginning of the month, you'll pay $10. Then you will receive your bag within like the first 2 weeks of the month, and then you can try all the products if you like them. Then you can also review them on there. It'll give you the option to basically say whether you like that item, whether you want more items like that item, or if you don't like that item and you want something different from that item, you can also do that on the website. So you'll basically get the bag, they'll let you try it out, then they'll ask you, do you like this, do you like that, do you not like this, do you not like that, and then from there on. Okay, and so the last thing in my bag is this Tapered blending brush. It's a really soft brush. It's kind of short, but I like this. It's good size for your hand, so this is really good. I like this. Now, if you don't know, I do like doing my eyeshadow more than anything on my face, my eyebrows. I like doing eyeshadows, and I've been getting a lot of these brushes recently, so I'm so excited to actually try them out because I love getting makeup brushes. So really excited about using this. So yes, those were all of my products that I got in my Ipsy subscription. If you'd like to see more videos from your girl, go ahead and like this video, give this video a comment down below, and tell me if you would like to see more videos from me, what type of videos you would like to see, and I will go ahead and provide those videos. Let's get this channel of mine to 1,000 subscribers, and I will possibly be doing a giveaway. Not 100%, but it's a possibility, and you'll just have to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and we will see about that. So again, this is the Ipsy bag that all of my products came in. I like how the zippers here, like that's so cute to me. I really like this. And again, these bags are so cute. They're durable. So when you're traveling, if you don't want to take a lot of makeup and you just want to minimize it, go ahead and put all your makeup in here and take it in your little bag. And the cool thing about these is that they're all travel size. So basically, you have all travel size makeup. Everything that I've gotten from Ipsy, I just came back from a trip yesterday, literally yesterday, and I took everything that I needed from Ipsy to do my makeup while I was on that trip. So it's even perfect. They give you a little travel bag, they give you travel size products, and you can go ahead and put it in your bag. If you're doing a carry-on, go ahead and put it in your carry-on, and you ain't gotta be worried about nothing, them throwing away all your expensive makeup when you have travel size things right here. So yes, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you think this bag is cute, because I do. And